Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Right here at the right side we have a button Disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you tap at this button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave them at the device list. And if you select to unpair them, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need this, just tap at the forget button. Now let's disconnect them. So as you can see, I stop Bluetooth connection with them because I have it at saved devices, not in my devices, but still have it at the device list, so I can easily reconnect them by just tap on them, if this earbuds are connected with another device, and turn on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!